Yo, 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 what it do, fam? It's been a long time, but it's your boy Al Woo with the shoe, and I'm back at y'all with some more banging content. So go ahead and tell a friend to tell a friend. I want to talk about these all-time best Halloween themed shoes. So let's go. Want to start with the Nike SBs, Night of Mischiefs. That's right, these shoes have a great colorway and it fits good for the Halloween theme that just went past. I know it was last month, but it's never too late to get spooky. Now let's go to the second pair. We got those Day of the Dead Nikes. Look at that. It is giving some respect to the Day of the Dead national Hispanic culture and heritage. So it also has a fly colorway pattern. So definitely say it's a cop. Let's go. We got those SB Dunks, the mummy versions. That's right. You get all wrapped up in them and they look real crispy with that beige, white, off-white looking tone color to it. Let's go. The next shoe we got is those off-white blazers. That's right. The mids. Those boys are spooky for Halloween. Then, of course, you got Nike coming again with those Jaw 1 zombies. I mean, look at that green. All the different patterns is going in the shoe. It is a good theme for Halloween. Then we got those Nike LeBron Friday the 13th. Goodness, look at that. Got the speckles of red paint going across the midsole, and it is giving an aesthetic for a Halloween themed shoe. Bam. Next shoe we got is those Adidas Jack-o'-lanterns. That's right. Jack-o'-lantern theme, pumpkin theme, spooky shoe. And the next one we got is those Harden 7s, Halloween editions. Not too much to say about Harden's, because I always thought that his shoes could have looked a lot better. But that one in the colorway gives a nice style. So we got the Freddy Krueger SB Dunks. Of course, how can we have a Halloween themed shoe without this on the list? That is a GOAT. You can't get those shoes for under 30,000. Let's go. Those SB High Jason Voorhees. You know, if we got Freddy on here, you gotta have Jason. And do y'all remember that Freddy vs. Jason movie? Do you think they should come out with a sequel? Or did they already come out with one? I can't remember. Let me know in the comment section. Do y'all think they should come out with another Freddy vs. Jason? Let's go. Them Air Force One Skeletal Forces kind of remind me of them Kobe X-ray shoes. I ain't gonna lie, dope colorway, dope theme. Then we got another Air Force One Halloween edition. I don't know what year this is for Halloween, but I think you can wear it any year. It is crispy. The next one we got is those Reebok Question Ankle Breakers. That's right. AI has some Halloween spooky shoes that he wore, and it's a signature shoe and it's golden in the hip-hop culture and fashion industry. Let's go with another Reebok shoe, the Kamikaze 2 Jack-o'-kazes. That's right, another Jack-o'-lantern themed shoe, but it's Kamikaze. So they combine the two, and it is freaky. Now let's look at these Shacknosis webbed themed shoes. That's right, the big Shaq the Diamonds. Mr. Shaquille O'Neal had a shoe that was crispy with Reebok before he had his own Dunkmans. Those was crispy, and the web version is the Halloween edition. Next we got is the Nike Low Halloweens. Crispy. I don't know when these dropped, but they are a themed Halloween shoe. We got the Air Force One Halloweens again. Crispy colorway. And then we got the Nike Air Force One Halloween 2006, the OG versions, which I think is the best looking one. I think it fits the theme of Halloween better. Then we got the Air Force One Frankenstein editions. Those green colorways on it kind of look like those off-white green ones. That's just me. Then we got the Air Force One Jason mask. Look at that. Mr. Voorhees making another appearance. And last but not least, the John Morant 2's Nightmares. So if you thought this was a spooky list, tell me what shoe I might have missed. And do me a favor and hit that subscribe button on your way out. It's your boy Al Woo with the shoe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Meet us at 10. You know what I mean? Yo, hello? Yeah, you guys need some more shoe content. You guys need some more ideas with shoes and how you deal with them. All right, man. You know what to do. Subscribe, hit the like button, share. I know people are always gonna be calling. The shoes is calling. Listen, y'all like the content, subscribe, share it, man. Let's get this platform grown bigger than a giant. I mean, we need it like Goliath size big, guys. We on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Let's get this video 100 likes. We got some sauce coming for y'all. Merch gonna be coming in. Telling y'all, tap in, and we're gonna show y'all how y'all get these on y'all feet. So subscribe. Al Wu with the shoe.